Hello friends, in today's video we'll talk about IFNA function. Now what is IFNA and where do we use it? So IFNA function generally returns us a specific value wherever our formula is giving us an error, and that error typically is hash NA. Now there are a lot of cases, for example, this is very common with VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP, where whenever our lookup value which we are looking within the range, we don't find a match, it generally throws us this error. So in such case, we can start or combine if any with a VLOOKUP formula, and if suppose the value is not there in the list, it can give us a third value. So let's see this with an example. So January. So if I typical write a VLOOKUP formula, so first my lookup value, and then I'll select my range, comma 1, comma 0. Okay. I get January. This is basic VLOOKUP formula. So I'll just copy this formula down. So see, I get a hash in it because I don't have any value available over here. And if I replace this with suppose March, I get March. In such typical situation, what I can do is I can start this formula with if NA, and then say I can write anything. I am just writing not available, bracket close, enter. So suppose I replace March with my name. So this says that Manish is not available in this list, and instead of giving me a hash NA, it is returning the value that I specified over here, that is not available. So if NA function, when my formula is giving me result as a error or hash NA error, it is returning me the third value that I've specified, which is not available in this case. Okay. Now, if NA can be combined with a lot of different functions, especially with all the functions from the lookup family. So if you're getting an error, you can easily use combine it with if any, and you will, so all those hash NAs that you will be getting in that list, it can be eliminated using this. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment section, and do subscribe to our channel so you keep getting further updates for the new videos that I'll be posting. Thank you.